Hey guys, it's Ash Gaming. Today we will just, show you this how to build this. Like it's so expensive, okay? You legit have to grind all the way, like many. So you need one candy and like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 gold. And 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 80 dang titanium blocks. And next up, you need the pilot suit, which is stupid. So now I'll show you how to control this. This down button right here is forward. This backup button this up button right here is what we called like reverse psychology. And this is normal. These two controls here normal. This not normal. It's reverse. So, here now we start here. So I'm gonna show you how this works. Like literally, you can like spend this thing like retrieve so much gold. So here we go. So this is on this button right here. I wish you can just see what I'm clicking right now. So this is how you do it. It's not easy to do it, but the pilot is holy goddamn easy to do it. So next, what stage is this? Arcade stage. No. Arcade stage, you need to be so fast, so furious, and so duckable. And this, you can just push all this thing like, yeah, yeet, like that. Oh, brother. Yeah, I got thrusters from that. Yeah, my favorite thrusters. Bruh, you literally have to pull the second thing right there. It's so annoying. For real. So we're now so close to the end. It like goes up with the rock, so you don't have to like sail like the normal boat does. And the boat does not break easily on those spikes. And there you go. Go grind. As easy as possible. And next now, we claim that it's a wisdom. And there you go, 105 gold and this stupid amount of gold. So we see we now have 400. Oh my gosh. I feel like I want to buy this. One car seat, 2 front wheels and 2 back wheels. Good. Let's load up the quick start. Here it is. So, like, you need like a, oh god, piston.
Because once a blue kid, we'll play Blue's Clues. I love Blue's Clues. Always the blue kid. Cause they're Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues.
But
Weekdays at these times.
can,
On Neptune.
oh god, I hate this. Candy, pink candy, or as always, pink candy is the best. Not the best of everything. Now, this server is way too laggy. Like the last. Oh god, what the hell is that? Now, 3, 2, 1, go forward. On what the? Okay, let's just stop doing this. This is super stupid. So guys, bye bye, and maybe see you tomorrow. And yeah.